Hello, everybody. Happy holidays and welcome to my page, Viking English. A lot of people pause. A lot of people have trouble finding hooks for their presentations. And earlier installments, I talked about hook and pause, which is my method for public presenting. And the idea is that, or rather, I'm sorry, hook and data. The idea is that you're not going to present a lot of information to people without some type of hook. And a lot of times people have trouble finding good hooks. And there are going to be later segments that are going to have all sorts of creative methods for finding good hooks. But the thing you need to understand is that if you're having trouble finding your hook, it's because you don't have your why. You have to understand exactly why you're presenting. And I don't mean I'm presenting because my boss told me to do it. I'm presenting because I want to make money at my job. No, you have to understand two whys. You have to understand why it's important for people to listen to you with this particular product or service that you're offering, this feature, this new plan for the team internally. Why are we having this meeting? You need to understand that why, and you need to understand the larger mission of your company or yourself if you're just your own company, but why you're doing what you're doing. And if you don't believe in the why, it's going to be a lot more difficult to create a good hook. It's basically going to be you as a con artist trying to trick people. You might be able to do that depending on who you are, but if you're good at doing that, you probably don't need me. If you're having trouble presenting, then you have to make sure that what you're presenting is appropriate. And then you just have to ask yourself why. For people who don't know about Simon Sinek and his book, Start With Why, I would highly recommend it, or if not reading the whole book, at least YouTubing some of it. But the idea is he took a stubble study of Apple Computer and basically looked at the marketing strategy that Steve Jobs used to create a brand for Apple that separated it from its competition. A lot of it was about just asking this question about why. Why are we doing what we're doing with this company? Why are we different? So when you're presenting something for your company or presenting something for your own personal business, you got to figure out, well, why are we doing what we're doing? In my case, I'm teaching you all how to present. I'm teaching you how to have meetings. I'm targeting ESL learners because I understand that I like seeing ESL learners make more money, especially people that are in countries that might be going through some difficulties right now. That's an easy why for me. So every time I present, I'm in touch with my why. Every time I teach a lesson, I'm in touch with my why. So if you're having trouble getting a hook, find your why. Of course, there'll be more segments about finding your why in this series, The Art of the Meeting. So I hope you join me in this series. I hope you follow my page, Viking English. And I really hope that you have a safe and happy holiday. All the best. Peace.